instructions. Target acquired. Awaiting instructions. Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on a binocular effect. You've seen it everywhere, TVs, movies, it's all over the place. But it's a very simple tutorial to do. All you have to do is you need a transparent image of a binocular effect. I created this in Photoshop, and I'll put a link in the description where you can download it from. So all you have to do to apply this is drag it to the first track, make the full length of the video. Once again, it has to be a PNG file so you can see through it. So right now it's applied, but when you're first looking through a binocular, it's blurry at first. So let's make this blurry and then come into focus. Let's go to the first track or second track, go to Event FX, select Vegas Defocus, click OK. For radius, click on the Animate. So once you click on the Animate, decide how much blur you want. So put the cursor right about here, create a new keyframe, and drag the radius to 0. So when you play it back, just the beginning will be out of focus. Comes into focus. And that's all you have to do to create a binocular effect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, I have lots of others to choose from, and I guarantee if you browse my videos, you will find one in there you will like. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.